Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure one person acts as the organizer. This centralizes billing and permissions. Once you confirm everyone has an Apple ID and is signed into iCloud, open settings and tap your name, then family sharing. Enable purchases and subscriptions and toggle app sharing so apps purchased by the organizer are eligible. You do this now because it establishes access and billing rules up front, preventing permissions issues later. Make sure to invite members using their Apple ID so they show in the group. Next, you invite people and control precisely what they can access. From family sharing, tap Add Member and send an invite by message or in person. Once they accept on their device, confirm purchase sharing is active so app purchases are shared. After that, review shared services like iCloud storage and Apple Music so resources are allocated as desired. If a child needs restrictions, set screen time and ask to buy. Doing these steps now ensures app downloads and billing behave predictably for everyone. Finally, you download shared apps by opening the App Store, tapping your profile, then purchased and selecting the organizer to see their purchases. Download what you need. If an app doesn't appear, make sure the organizer actually purchased it, not a subscription-only app, and that purchase sharing is turned on. If issues persist, sign out and back into iCloud, check that all devices run current iOS or Mac OS, and verify country/store settings. These steps resolve most visibility and download problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.